If you have those calculation problems, check out that class. So what is the problem? Calculate the drop per minute. Okay, drop per minute and run the answer up. The nurse is caring for a client who need IV fluid resuscitation. The nurse received the following order: a liter of normal saline over 5 hours via a micro drip IV tubing. People get confused with this. Straightforward. I'm going to say some few things. Micro drip, it means the drip, the holes are small holes. Therefore, it's going to take a lot of drops per ml. So for every ml, you're going to have large drops, a lot of it. So this is usually 60 drops per ml. And this is what we use for kids. Even though this said micro is MI, is 60 drops. The macro, MA, we all know is bigger. The whole is bigger. Right? That means we're going to get less drops in ml. So you get 20 drops in ml. And this is used for adults. So for when they give you and it's a macro, you use 20 drops per ml. If they use micro, MICRO, you use 60 drops. If they don't give you at all, you use 15 drops per ml. If they don't tell you, most of the time they say 15 is average. So this is what you use. But this may pay attention that depending on what they tell you. The other thing too is I don't use formula. I just do dimensional analysis. This dimensional analysis came from this formula. It's from the prescribed dose, how much you prescribe times what is available. Is your answer choice. So I will show you how you can apply it. So this is the key. What is the problem? The axis, calculate the drops per ml. So this is our answer. Our answer, all right, drops per minute. Right? Drops per minute. Being drop per minute. So what is my prescribed dose? It's dimensional. They say 1,000 ml of saline over 5 hours. So 1,000 ml over 5 hours. Right away, change this into minutes because the answer is in minutes. So you know 1 hour here is over 60 minutes. Therefore, the hour can say hour like that. Now, we're going to use our drops. They say what? Use what? Macro. Macro. The macro, even though this is, we know macro is big, it's actually the one that will give you smaller drops. So it's going to be 20 drops per ml. So 1 ml cancel. And therefore you left with 1,000 times 20 drops over 5 times 60 minutes. That's all. The answer, when you run it up, you're going to get 67 drops per minute, because this will go here and this will be 3, right? And this will be what? 200. So 200 over 3 is 6.6, 6.6, which is 67 drops per minute. And therefore the answer choice is this. If you have a problem, check it out in class.